guys, we're looking at this awesome toolbox. Now, I don't know the code for Google Play, so I can't leave it in the description. I know how to leave stuff in the description. Now you have to do HTTP and all this stuff, and you get to change everything in Minecraft Pocket Edition. I've done this from Jack Frost Miner. He actually let me do it. So let's go ahead and set up a new world in survival mode. Now you're gonna see this warm things in here. X-ray isn't working. I don't know why, but yeah, it actually rotates, and we got this. Look at this. I think we can even have mods in here, I think. I've checked the very first version of this toolbox, and it is absolutely amazing. So, I'm in a creative inventory and survival mode. These things are, yeah, those are a little untextured. I don't know why, but take a look. We got all this stuff, and look, even if you don't want to do it, so we're just gonna search up wood, and then it gives us something, and it even lets us see how to craft it. Look, so close. So yeah, you're pretty good with this. Now you see this. This is actually how to add a teleport. This is this stuff. Now there was an early version of 0.12.0. I didn't showcase that because I wasn't around the YouTube, but I was planning it. So we can actually add a teleport here. Let's add it. Name spawn. Done. Add. There we go. Spawn adds. Now this right here, this actually lets you do the game mode. I'm in creative. I'm in survival. This does a lot of stuff. Now, you can set spawn. So we're gonna. No, I'm gonna change the game speed and see how slow we can go. Ooh, hey, there's even a waypoint thing. That's pretty cool. But we're very slow, so let's. Oh, I feel like I'm in a Minecraft cobweb. All right, I need to change that. All right, we're gonna change it back because that's kind of weird. And then we're gonna do the time. You get to change the time. Yes, I'm putting it right there. You can stop time, disable block ticking, level. I don't know. Weather. So we can change the weather and potion effects. Let's say I want to add jump boost, and I'm going to do it's about 3 minutes, and we're gonna make it to that. Add, and then boom, we have jump boost for a long time. So yeah, we have. Oh my goodness, I need to change it to creative. Oh, creative, hurry. Ooh. Yeah, so you see, that's pretty cool. I'm going to add myself some speed. Actually, I'm going to change the game speed. Whee! Oh my goodness, this is very fast.
You heard the voice.
Woo! I'm like Sonic the Hedgehog.
In the fish. Right here.
Probably not going to do Sonic. Oh my goodness. No! Alright, I need to change this game speed back. Now, I'm thinking it actually allows you to have mods too. It allows you to have almost everything. We can add a texture back, and I need to remove this because this is actually getting annoying. Very annoying. Yeah. Alright. So that's I'm gonna move on. There we go. No more jump boost. Now let's test this with mods. I'll be right back. Guys, I couldn't find it. And some reason it cut out for me.
I will retire now to my couch, a perpetual indulgence.
There we go. So next time I'm probably gonna do a mod. I really hope this stays on here for a long time. So Jack Frost Miner done his newest video about this, and this is amazing. I'm very glad Jack Frost Miner actually did this, and I'm taking forever to fall. Oh, it's just unloading in chunks. There's my coordinates, so.
What you looking me for? He told me to. Get away now, you like this. Get off him, Ramon. Hey, Stretch, you got these stones where you come from? We don't collect stones. You don't? Why not? We live on the ice. Why are you in the heart of the lakes? We sing. You're kidding, right? No. Sing.
No, I'm going. Can I actually make an explosion? Hunger. Restore. Alright, disable block ticking. No. Level. What does this do? Level 100? Oh, that's my. Oh! Alright, I need to go into survival. I'm at level 100 right now. Oh man, I'm gonna change it down. My level is way too far up. Alright, so entities, I'm gonna spawn in. Oh man, there's so much. I'm probably gonna spawn in a wolf. Well, that happened.
Really? Gosh, if I could sing, that would change everything. You will sing. You just got to do exactly what I say. Okay. Did I say okay? No. No. What did I say? Do exactly what you say. Exactly what I say. Don't push me, 'cause I'm close to the edge.
You see, I can change my skins and everything, so. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna download a texture pack, and I will see you guys soon. See ya. Guys, I decided to download it with you guys. Couldn't find a website that I knew. Yeah, I've never been to this app. Alright, I got that. Yes, alright. And I don't need it because I'm using this one different. Cute Craft, John Smith, Dandelion. I don't want to waste the video's minutes, so I'll see you guys in just a second. See ya. Alright guys, we're back. So, let's see if I can actually find the thing.
Oh, no, it's
Now, if you don't know what texture pack we're gonna use, is the Terraria. Because why not? If I can find it. That's my images. Just in case.
This aberration to the very heart of our community. Have you lost your mind?
We're just having fun.
It is this kind of backsliding that has brought the scarcity upon us.
Excuse me, Spidey. Did you just be plain framework, please? He thinks the food shortage has something to do with me.
Do you not understand that we can only survive here when we're in harmony? And you and your foreign friends lead us into your easy ways. You offend the great Gwyn. You invite him to withhold his birthday. He rules the season to give it, and he can take it away.
Wait a minute, Happy Feet can't cause a famine.
Yeah, if thy kind of pagan display did not cause it, then what did?
I think it comes from outside, way beyond the ice. There are things out there, things you don't understand.
Mystery, my body mystery, mystic being.
I'll be right back, guys.
Aliens. I hear they're smart.
I'll get it to work.
They might be smart.
I promise.
Who knows?
Actually, I can't promise that, but I'll see you guys in a second. See.
Oh, I turn up. You're not helping, Robo.
Alright, guys, we're just gonna go to Block Launcher and see the Terraria texture pack, but that's a cool toolbox.
I'm gonna talk to the aliens.
How you gonna find aliens? Lovelace.
Why, you don't like it. You don't like it at all.
That's okay. I'll appeal
I told you I couldn't promise, but let's just go to the Terraria texture pack. This is gonna be awesome. Oh man, that looks cool. Alright, let's go to the creative world. And yes, I have a few mods installed. Oh wow, it goes to your pocket edition too.
Lovelace.
Alright. Pretty cool. Death Stroller's a command block. That's kind of weird.
I know we don't have an appointment, but it's one question. And I want a straight answer. Where do I find the mystic beings?
That's just cool. But I think this is going to end off the episode. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.